What, he gonna try to lift it? What? I don't understand what they're doing. Oh, they're putting that, you can't really see it. The lift thing is going further underneath it. Suck it up on there. I just don't know how they... Everything was going real good until the owner guy showed up, from what I could tell, and then he got real picky. I don't know what that guy thinks he's gonna hold. I think they're starting to pick it up, but it's gonna need to winch it back somehow. I feel like okay. Oh, it's winching up. It's winching up there. Oh, they're backing it up underneath it. They're getting it. They're getting it on there. Woohoo, guys. I think it's gonna work. They just gotta somehow get it all the way on there. Oh, so now he's gonna slide it even more, I guess. What the heck? Okay, you got it. I'm getting it down there even more. It's moving. It's going under it. Holy shit. They're doing it. They are doing it. Holy moly. I think they've got it. Now let's see if he can raise it. Holy moly. I don't know what they're doing, but it's pulling it up the rest of the way. How are they doing it? I don't know. I don't know. Oh my gosh. They're pulling it. Now they got it off the ground. Bronxy! Come here! They got her up. Holy moly. Come here, look! In the sunroom.
That's so cool.
That's crazy. What? Can you believe that?